Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about roller bearings, what they are and how they work. Let's dive into it. They're similar to ball bearings, as both are designed to carry a load while minimizing friction. But the key difference is that roller bearings use cylindrical rollers instead of balls, making them ideal for handling heavier loads. Roller bearings use cylindrical rolling elements to transmit loads. Instead of balls, these rollers help maintain the separation between moving parts, allowing for smoother operation and the ability to handle higher loads. This makes roller bearings particularly useful in heavy-duty applications. One cool thing about roller bearings is their versatility. They can have single or multiple rows of rolling elements, and when you add multiple rows, it significantly increases their radial load capacity.
Another advantage of roller bearings is the variety of roller shapes that can be used. These different shapes help further reduce friction and allow the bearing to support both radial and axial loads. This flexibility makes roller bearings a great choice for various applications. While roller bearings can handle much higher loads compared to conventional ball bearings, they do have a limitation. They're generally more suited for low-speed operations. So, if you need to handle heavy loads but speed isn't a major factor, roller bearings are the way to go. That's all for on roller bearings. I hope you now have a better understanding of what they are, how they work, and where they're used. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more engineering content. Drop any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.